can you do with a toolbox? What's that big red box? This is a toolbox. What can you do with a toolbox? It's what's inside a toolbox that is useful. Do you want to learn what we can do with the toolbox? Yes! Safety always comes first. These are safety glasses to protect our eyes.
Looking good there, sport.
These are hard hats to protect our heads. Work gloves and boots keep our hands and feet safe.
Hey, those gloves fit perfect.
Now it's time to build.
Are you guys ready?
We build with tools. And we always use tools with adults.
Like me.
Or me. Or me.
Like me.
This is a wrench. We use a wrench to turn a nut. We use a wrench and nuts and bolts to assemble the swing set.
All right, I've tightened the nut. Now you can swing too.
Not all tools fit in the toolbox. This is a shovel. We use a shovel to fill the sandbox with sand. This is a screwdriver. A screwdriver turns a screw to fasten the cargo net.
You are a screwdriver.
This is a tape measure.
Hey, you want to measure how tall you are?
We use it to measure how tall to make the slide.
Great job. The slide is 66 inches tall.
This is a level. We use it to make sure the monkey bars are straight.
Bubbles in the middle.
That means it's perfectly level.
This is a hammer, and those are nails. We use a hammer and nails to connect floorboards when we build a deck.
Don't hit your fingers.
Thank you. I'll be careful.
This is a saw. We use a saw to cut the railing for the stairs. This is a drill. We use a drill to tighten the screws and bolts to assemble the door frame. This is a ladder. We use a ladder to reach the roof.
Hey, bud, I'm coming up.
These are paintbrushes. With paintbrushes and paint, we can turn the walls any color we want.
Making flowers.
What can we do with the toolbox? We can build a playground.